Hey there, crafting enthusiasts. Are you all set to create your very own Jesmonite vase set that's not just elegant but totally unique? Well, you're in for a real treat. So, let's dive in and follow these fun steps, okay? Step 1. We're going to start by mixing the Jesmonite 𝗬cie𝘂𝗿 base with the liquid. Now, the ratio we're aiming for is liquid to base at 1 to 2.5. For our lovely vase set, we'll use 250 grams of liquid, which means the base will be 625 grams. Pretty simple, right? Step 2. Next up, add just a drop or two of your favorite color into the mix. Give it a gentle stir to create that mesmerizing marble effect. It's like magic. Step 3. Now, carefully pour the mixture into the mold. But hey, make sure to give it a good shake to eliminate any stubborn air bubbles. We want a flawless finish, don't we? Let's take a little break, shall we? Maybe play with our adorable boss for a bit. Moving on to the super exciting demolding process. Watch in awe as our creation begins to take shape. And don't forget, the satisfying sanding step is next. This is where we really refine those details to perfection. Enter our trusty wax, our best buddy when it comes to sealing. It's like a shield, protecting and enhancing the beauty of each piece. And voila, there you have it, our final masterpiece. Just take a look at how elegant and unique this Jesmonite vase set turned out. Now it's your turn to craft your own masterpiece. Enjoy every moment and happy crafting. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe 𝗬cie𝘂𝗿 for more experiment and joy.